Why do Italians speak with their hands so much? It's basically a part of the language. I'm Maria. My father's from Calabria, and he is constantly speaking with his hands. So today I'm sharing with you everything I've learned as an Italian American on some Italian hand gestures. Number one, it's a part of the language itself. It is not something separate from the language. In English, we rely mostly on words, and sometimes we'll have an occasional hand gesture. In Italian, hand gestures always complement the words. Communication there is just more expressive. It's more emotional. And with any language, really, it's not about just what you say, it's how you say it. It's the tonality, it's what your hands are doing, it's where you're looking, it's everything all encompassed. Another thing I think hand gestures help to do is clarify the meaning of what you're saying. Italian has a lot of nuance. So instead of over-explaining things with more words, a hand gesture could just help explain what you mean. So for example, we could say, and I feel like this is very calabrese, you could say, ma che vuoi? What do you want? Ma che vuoi? Depending on the gesture that you make with that, it could either be really playful or really serious. So adding the hands aren't random, they help with the context. Number three, it's really cultural. Like Italian culture really depends on truly connecting with somebody. So the hand gestures basically become natural, just a part of the language. You're not just exchanging direct information for the sake of communication, you're also showing how you feel about certain things. And once you start to speak Italian and you learn the language a little bit, it's hard not to use your hands. I even do it more as I speak English, like in this video right now. And this is the difference between being able to understand Italian words and phrases and being able to connect with somebody in Italian. If that's something you crave, I happen to have a free Italian lesson meant just for you. Link is in the description. It's meant for those with Italian heritage like me who want to feel like they are authentically in the Italian culture. Again, the link is below in the description and I'll see you there. In no time, as you start to use your hand gestures, you will start doing it more in English as well. You will catch yourself in a conversation with somebody having hand gestures and they will instantly know that you have Italian roots. Because when you're in the language like that, you naturally start adapting. And this all is a part of that immersion learning. So again, you're not just learning what the words mean and how to say them, you're also looking at the entire body, how you express yourself, how you come off to other people. And that is so, so, so important when it comes to bonding with people. And believe it or not, speaking with your hands actually helps you learn and develop your kinesthetic sense. If you're still saying ciao every time you want to say hi, then click this video right here because ciao is not always appropriate. A presto. Ciao.